Hello children, how are you? Children, where did you come from? Yes, you came from your home, isn't it? When you are coming from your home, what do you see? Yes, you can see many houses, animals and trees. Children, today's our lesson is plants around us. Children, you will achieve the following learning outcomes from this lesson. Children will try to identify shrubs, creepers and trees in their surroundings. You will differentiate shrubs and trees. You will be able to explain the parts of a plant. Okay children, let us start our lesson. We see many plants around us. We see many plants. మన చుట్టూ మనం చాలా plants చూస్తూ ఉంటాం కదా. They are a pleasant sight. Just like animals and human beings exist on earth, so do plants and trees. Yes, animals, human beings ఎలా భూమిపైన ఉంటున్నారో plants కూడా అలాగే ఉంటున్నాయి. Some plants are small, some are big. Some plants are small in size and some are big in size. Few others are very big. Few plants are very big in size. There are different types of plants and trees. Yes, we have observed different types of plants and trees in our surroundings. Children, we will observe these pictures. What is this children? Yes, these flowers are marigold flowers. This is marigold garden. Yes, how beautiful it is. These are rose flowers and this is rose garden. These are mango trees. This is mango garden. What are these children? Yes, tomatoes. These are tomato plants. What is this vegetable children? Yes, these are bitter gourds. What are these? They are hanging. Yes, they are bottle gourd. Here, these are, yes, cabbages. Observe this picture children, how beautiful it is. It is covered with full of different types of flowers. Here different types of flowers are there and made this location beautiful. Children, just now we have seen many plants and trees. Among them, some are tall in size. Some plants are small in size. Let us see the tall plants first. Yes, this is mango garden. When compared to other plants, these mango trees are tall. Can you name some more taller trees? Yes, coconut tree, palm tree. These are taller than mango trees. Next one. What are these children? Rose, marigold, tomatoes and cabbages. These are called bushes. These are small in size when compared to mango tree, and they have multiple stems arise from the base. మరి మ్యాంగో ట్రీతో కంపేర్ చేస్తే ఇవి చిన్నవిగా ఉంటాయి, అయితే వీటి యొక్క బ్రాంచెస్ అన్నీ కూడా కింది నుంచి అంటే ఆ స్టెమ్ యొక్క కింది నుంచి వస్తాయి, కాబట్టి మనకి ఇవి ఎలా కనిపిస్తాయి, బుషెస్ లాగా కనిపిస్తాయి అన్నమాట. Creepers. Creepers means these creepers have very tender stems. Creepers అంటే వాటి స్టెమ్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి, వీక్గా ఉంటాయి, సన్నగా ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. These bitter gourd plant, bottle gourd plant, these are creepers. అంటే వాటి స్టెమ్స్ అనేవి వీక్గా ఉండడం వల్ల అవి భూమిపైన నిలబడలేక ఏదైనా సపోర్ట్ కోసము ఇలా పాకుతూ వెళ్తాయి, కాబట్టి వీటిని క్రీపర్స్ అని అంటారు. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, you discuss these things with your friends. Which plants and trees are there in the picture? Are they alike? What are the differences? మీరు పిక్చర్లో ఏమేం ప్లాంట్స్ చూసారు, అన్నీ సేమ్ ఉన్నాయా? Are there any differences? Yes, marigold, rose, mango, bitter gourd, cabbage, tomato plants are there in the picture. They are not alike. They are not same. They are in different sizes. Which plants creep? Which plants grow as bushes? Which plants grow tall? Do you know what are they called? Which plants creep? అంటే పాకుతూ వెళ్తాయి, స్టెమ్స్ టెండర్గా ఉంటాయని చెప్పాను కదా. Yes, bitter gourd and bottle gourd plants are creepers. They will creep, so they are called as creepers. Which plants grow as bushes? మరి bushes లా పెరిగేవేంటి? Tomato, rose, brinjal, all these grow as bushes. We can call these plants as shrubs. Which plants grow tall? Among these pictures, mango tree grow tall. We can call this as trees. మరి టాల్గా పెద్దవిగా పెరిగితే వాటిని ఏమంటారు? ట్రీస్ అని అంటారు. Climbers or creepers. The plants like ridge gourd, bitter gourd, jasmine have weak stems and usually grow on trellis, trees, ground or with any other support. These are known as climbers or creepers. ఇవి ఎలా ఉంటాయి? విత్ వీక్ స్టెమ్స్, అంటే కాండం చాలా వీక్గా ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి అవి డైరెక్ట్గా పైకి, అంటే స్టెమ్ అనేది డైరెక్ట్గా పైకి వెళ్ళదు, దానికి ఏదైనా సపోర్ట్ ఉంటేనే వెళ్తుంది. అదే తోటలో అయితే ఏం చేస్తారు, వాళ్ళు ముందుగానే అరేంజ్మెంట్స్ చేస్తారు, పందిళ్ళు వేస్తారనమాట. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్. Shrubs. The plants like Neem, rose, chili, etc. They have multiple stems. Multiple stems arise from the base. ఇవి స్టెమ్స్ చాలా ఉంటాయి, ఆ బేస్ కింద నుంచి కూడా అన్ని స్టెమ్స్ వస్తాయి కాబట్టి ఇవి మనకి పొదల్లాగా, బుషెస్ లాగా కనిపిస్తాయి కాబట్టి these are called as shrubs. Shrubs are smaller in size when compared to trees. Trees. The plants like tamarind, peepal, mango, etc. spread over a vast area. ఇవి ఎలా ఉంటాయి? చాలా ఎక్కువ ఏరియాని ఆక్రమించి విశాలంగా ఉంటాయి. They are in big size. These are called trees. We get wood from the long and thick trunk of these trees. వుడ్ అంటే మనం టేబుల్స్ అవి చేసుకుంటాం కదా, టేబుల్స్, డోర్స్, అలా ఆ వుడ్ అనేది ఎక్కడి నుంచి లభిస్తుందంటే ఈ ట్రీస్ నుంచే లభిస్తుంది. చిల్డ్రన్, We have learnt about climbers, shrubs and trees. Here is a table given in your textbook, page number 45. You have to fill this table. In first column, climbers is given. What are climbers? Yes, bitter gourd, bottle gourd and ridge gourd. These are climbers. What are shrubs? Rose, marigold, tomato, etc. They come under shrubs. Which plants come under trees? Yes, trees are taller. Mango, tamarind, neem, all these come under trees. Children, you complete this table which is given in your textbook. Okay, children? Parts of a plant. We have climbers, creepers, shrubs and trees around us. Yes, we can see climbers or creepers, shrubs and trees around us. Some of them give us flowers. Which plants give us flowers? Yes, rose, marigold, chrysanthemum, all these give us flowers. Some give wood. Which plants give us wood? Teak plant, neem plant, these will give us wood. And some other give us fruits. Some other give us fruits. Which plants give us fruits? Yes, apples, mango, banana, oranges. All these plants give us fruits. Do you know the parts of a plant? Yes, almost all the plants have same parts. Let us see the parts of a plant. This is a plant given in your textbook. See the plant. What are its parts? Which parts of the plant are above the soil? Which parts of a plant are above the soil? Let us see. Bud, flower, stem, leaf. These are above the soil. Which parts are below the soil? Yes, roots are below the soil. Generally, plants have roots, stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. Generally, almost all plants have roots, leaves, stem, flower, etc. Among these, roots are below the soil. Among all these, roots are below the soil. Remaining parts are above the soil. Okay, children, we'll discuss about these different parts of plant in next class. With this, our session is completed. I am going to give you some questions as homework. You answer these questions and show it to your teacher. Write down, children. What are trees? Give examples. Draw a diagram of plant and label it. Write the names of plants which you have observed in this lesson. Okay, children? Shall we meet in next class? Thank you.